Bitcoin Cash may experience a 2.3% loss by March 21, Gov Capital Collector projects. First, let's take a closer look at today's market behavior. As we speak, Bitcoin Cash has gone up 1% and is sitting around $460.70. Let's go over the experts' predictions. CoinLore believes the move could reach $468.12 by March 21, marking a price gain near 1.7%. CoinPrice Forecast projects Bitcoin Cash will trend higher toward $461, a projected increase of 0.1%. Digital Coin Price points out it could move down to $453.26, about 1.6% below now. Another estimate from Gov Capital Collector shows Bitcoin Cash may retreat toward $450.03, a drop close to 2.3%. And in closing, Crypto Predictions aims for $447.79 by tomorrow, 2.8% lower than now. This forecast leads in return. That covers the expert calls. Let's move forward now. We've reviewed the outlooks. Now let's look at performance data. According to the data, the price swing could be from a drop of 2.8% to an increase of 1.7%. In short, Crypto Predictions has the highest projected return with 2.8% gain in value by tomorrow. By the look of it, you could make between $1 and $28 for every $1,000 you invest. Based on probabilities, CoinPrice Forecast has delivered the most reliable forecast with a 87.2% chance of success. By analyzing all 5 predictions together, I've built a consensus scenario. Consensus data points to Bitcoin Cash slipping by about 1% in the short term. Okay, let's take a closer look. Consensus outlook highlights a 1% move lower. To put it simply, your capital could likewise gain by 1% if the scenario holds. On a 1,000 position, this could potentially mean around $10 more. And the probability of the consensus forecast for Bitcoin Cash being realized is around 81.3%. Next up, let's check the short-term 3-day outlook as seen by analysts. For the next few days, CoinLore expects Bitcoin Cash to strengthen. CoinPrice Forecast believes no significant shifts are coming. Digital Coin Price sees an upward move ahead. Gov Capital Collector highlights that Bitcoin Cash could slide lower. The outlook from also Crypto Predictions shows the price drifting lower. Consensus projections point to a weaker market for Bitcoin Cash over the next 3 days. Taken together, most analysts expect Bitcoin Cash to move higher. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Today, we look at them against the outcome. Ultimately, the final price landed near $455.40. Only one forecast managed to capture the correct direction of the move. The closest match to the actual price was from CoinCodex. Let's move on to the breakdown. Every forecast stood outside the day's move. As far as ROI is concerned, several predictions were profitable, but CoinCodex stood out with 3.6%. On screen now is the recap view, a compact overview of forecast performance. Gov Capital Collector displayed $28.03 accuracy, 70.7% forecast probability, and minus 3.6% ROI. Take a closer look and see who seems to be performing best in this set. Now let's see how the predicted profitability for tomorrow varies between Bitcoin Cash and other assets. In this ranking, Bitcoin Cash falls below the leader as Toncoin holds 6.5% expected performance. This section compares Bitcoin Cash to 4 random cryptocurrencies. A much broader view of forecasted returns and analyst performance will be posted soon on my website and Telegram. Before you go, hit like and subscribe if you enjoy staying informed while saving time on research. See you when the next numbers come in.